Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, today it will be the final stage of my sister's birthday party. You want to stick with me to the end. It was so awesome. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ava's Luxury for Less with me, Avanita, and there is the birthday girl. Child and come here, Lord. Every picture is Olivia.
You taught me how to love again. You keep on talking to me.
What about the rest of
When I
them?
need any friends.
Sorry, Boo.
You wanna put it back?
Yeah, I have to because it's not frozen.
Not all of them. So
Yeah.
it's okay. This yellow is fine. It's frozen.
DJ, me I got eating or something. I don't know. Sorry, the DJ. I am eating. Me and Yolanda are eating. I don't know about.
Mommy, can I come with you?
This. Nah, my friend. Yolanda.
What I go to Jamaica, parliament on the paper, forget the youth and the cater, that's why the country not safer. Here's the guns and burning.
Where were you, Tyrese? Where you going? So you didn't choose to come out? Everybody's gonna sing happy birthday to me at 8 o'clock, yeah? So you should come out, yeah? You didn't give me a hug for my birthday, Tyrese. Come on, give your auntie a hug. You been good? Good boy.
Three.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Danica. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hey.
May the good Lord bless you.
I
Employers are ready. Hey. Okay, go on, Nika. Did you make a wish?
No, I kind of wish more for 2020. Carry one and mash it up.
No, you can wish for 100 money and you can wish for a unicorn.
Only 100 money.
But there are unicorn.
You can get everything in the whole time.
In the basement.
Chutney.
No, you wouldn't answer me.
Guys, the party was so nice. It was a good day. We had a really good turnout considering that it's quarantine and people are staying indoors and not really going out. So we did have a good time. Thank you very much for everyone that attend. These are just some slides of us singing happy birthday and just gathering and eating in the night. We stayed up until almost 1 in the night, so it was so awesome. Even people turned up afterwards, but we had to tell them that it's not like that kind of party, and also we didn't want to go over the limit to get the police out. So it was a really good turnout. I'm so happy my sister enjoyed her birthday. Guys, thank you so much for watching with me. Thank you so much for everyone that tuned in from the very first episode, part 1 and then part 2 and then part 3. Look at her, I'm holding her leg. She's like, hold my leg, and I'm like, yeah, you hold my leg. But honestly guys, it was a very very good day. I can't stress or I can't say enough how much fun we had. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week in my next video. Just continue to check these slides out of my sisters and all the other people that was there. This is her day. I want her to enjoy it. It was so good. By the way, she took home all the decorations. I'm not sure what she's gonna do with them, but she took home all the decorations and the food. That's what I'm saying. I should have taken some more photos and videos, but because I wanted everything to be done and be ready when she comes over, I didn't get enough time to do all of that. But I was so happy that she liked it. I mean, she loved all the decorations. She was just going crazy, as you can see from the photos. And yeah, all her kids and my kids and everybody else just literally just love it. I keep rambling on, but guys, yeah, I'm so psyched about this. And these are just some Facebook messages that I just went on her Facebook page and took down, because honestly, you guys have given her so much shout out on her day. I could not just ignore all of these and, you know, Facebook messages. There's so much, but I couldn't choose everything because obviously I didn't want the video to be too long, so I just choose a few and then just stick them there. But guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I keep saying thank you so much and I'm still rambling on, but you can tell from the tone of my voice that I am so happy. So happy. Yeah, I'm really happy. I think she was drunk in the end, to be honest with you, because she went to sleep and she was just dab. But yeah, I'm really happy she enjoyed herself. And once again, guys, I'll just say thank you guys, and I'll see you next week. Please check out my playlist below. Thank you. Bye.